Make this delicious buttery pav at home just by combining few ingredients. Welcome back to my channel Roaming Cuisine. My name is Vaishnavi and today I am going to show you how easily you can make these soft pavs at home. It's just a perfect recipe to make, so let's just dive into it. The exact measurements are there on the screen and in the description box below. So here, take all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Take another bowl, add warm milk, a teaspoon of sugar which helps to activate the yeast, and active dry yeast. Let it rest for around 5 to 7 minutes till it bubbles up. The yeast has to activate like this. Now let's add the activated dry yeast into the flour and mix well. If you don't get such bubbles on the yeast mixture, do not process further. In that case, repeat the entire yeast activation process correctly. It will get too sticky at the beginning, but have patience and keep on kneading the dough until you get the softness in it. Once you get that, add a butter into it and knead it again. This kneading process takes around 15 minutes. Once it is done, tuck the dough in this way. Grease the bowl and rest it for around 1.5 hours. It should get double in size. Just look at it. It has fermented beautifully. Look at these bubbles. Now let's take it out. Punch the dough. Tuck it again with a very soft pressure on it. And make the 9 pieces of it. Now take a baking tray with a butter paper on it. Tuck all the pieces this way with a plain surface like a ball. And again rest it for around 20 minutes. You can see they are almost doubled in size. Now let's preheat the microwave. Bake for around 30 minutes. You can see these are wonderfully baked inside out. Grease all pavs using butter. Now keep a wet parchment paper or a wet cotton cloth on it for around 10 minutes. It will help to get this softness in the pavs. And this is how our buttery soft pavs are ready. Must try out this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe for more. Happy cooking!